真实的，我大家头壳拢用头壳，所以我为着要互恁头壳无变做伤过压力伤大，咱即摆过落来吼，我要甲大家同齐来做一个运动，好不好？我请那个北区的老师也来，咱大家拢免站起来，坐立椅啊，这个运动是要坐立椅啊，哈。我们都坐在椅子哦，现在开始跟着他做，好不好？
Now sitting in your chair, let's just march in place. We'll do a little bit of chair aerobics. Heel touches forward. We go heel, 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 heel. Now you can do this without any arms to make it a little easier. Or use your arms to swing your arms. Now a little kick, just kick, 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 kick. Now knee lift, you can tap your knee. Now tap out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's use the arms. Out, 2, 3, 4. And come back to the march. And heel touches, heel, 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 heel. And we kick 1, 2, 3. Knee lift, 1, 2. Tap side. Just a little bitty arm movement. Make it bigger and a 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold it here, just tap your toes. Tap your heels. And we're gonna reach up. Right here, reach up. Up. Reach. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Now reach out to the side, way over there and over there. Reach. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Now reach down, like you're picking up something from the floor. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now tap your toes. We're going to reach across the body, beginning with this arm. Ready? Here we go. Reach across. 2. Reach over there and over there. 5, 6, 7, 8. And march it out. Let's march. Heel touches. Let's add a little push this time. Knee lift. Let's push down. 2, 3. Tap out to the side. 1, 2. Now add these arms out. 2, 3. And come back to center. Tap your toes. Tap your heels. And here come the reaches. This side. Reach up. 2, 3. Now both arms. Up. 2, 3, 4. Now to the side. Reach side. 2. And reach down to the floor. 2, Now across the body. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and hold it right there.
好，谢谢大家。今天大家非常快乐，又有运动，回家可以多吃一碗饭哈。